What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Italian National Team 2020 Puma jersey. This is the 2020-2021 season jersey from the official Italy. It has this amazing green color and with this nice drifts inside it. Has a nice design, seems durable. I'm already using this for a couple of weeks and go to the wash machine with no problems. So keeps the color and seems good. It's comfortable. It's a quite slim and fits in the body. If you have a look at the sides, it has the Puma logo type. All it's in a nice gold color, the Italy national team logo type, and has an authentic buttons into the bottom left. I do recommend these clothes for casual use, in the case that you want to go out and need some nice look and enjoy national teams clothes. I do recommend this one. I'm using the large size and it really fits on me, but it's quite small. Into the arms you can see a really fancy and different details into the Italy colors. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!